So this was one packet which was sent across to me by one of my friends, and he's also a regular viewer of the channel. And one of the main things which he told me is that why don't you give a try and read some Raj comics, right? So there are a lot of YouTubers out there who are making videos on Raj comics. Characters like Nagraj, Dhruva, Toga, and a bunch of others, right? Honestly speaking, I have very little knowledge of what Raj Comics is, right? So that was not something which I read during my childhood. I missed the complete wave of it. I was suddenly introduced to the world of Indrajal comics, and then after some time Gotham comics, and in between my regional comics down south, so that I didn't have much clue on what Raj Comics is about. But seeing the kind of videos that people are making and the revival of Raj Comics of sorts in the last couple of years, lot of new issues are coming out, reprints are coming out. So I was thinking I should also give it a try, see what this whole Raj Comics world. It seems like Raj Comics has a universe similar to a DC and Marvel Comics. I'm going to do a short little unboxing today of sorts, and then what I'm going to follow it up is that I'm going to read these comics, see if it connects to me, is something I like a lot, and then if I do, I may start collecting some of them, right? So that's all it is. So with that, let's get right into this video. So I unboxed these comics, and yeah, so I finally have my first set of Raj comics here in front of me. It looks like he sent a combination. There are few books which are pretty old. It looks like it shows price of 20. It says Raj Comics Special, and this one is called The Skin Shedder. Looks very interesting cover art, although I see two Nagraj in here. Maybe one is a clone or a duplicate or something like that. Don't have much of a clue on that. And that's the first book that I have in my hand, and looks like it has some other Nagraj comics details in behind it, right? So obviously Nagraj, a lot of comics have come out, so expect lot of other comics and details to be part of it. Yeah, I'm just going through this. Artwork looks decent, and it looks like the font is pretty big, but in some pages I see lot of text flooded into each panel, trying to explain what's going on. That's kind of like a, it's kind of like there are too many things to process within one single panel, which is not the advisable way to read comics. But still, it looks like the characters are well defined, and it's interesting. It looks very interesting, right? Reminds me of some of the characters in Spider-Man, actually, this guy. Yeah, it's a pretty short comics. It looks like the size, as you guys can see, it's pretty small, not very big as in the normal sized comics. It's even shorter than a trade paperback that you get for a DC or a Marvel. And yeah, I'm liking the artwork, guys, right? I had no complaints about it. Only thing is the text for me is kind of like a throw off. It looks like there is too much of text flooding around, which even kind of like reduces the amount of artwork which is there. So this looks like a 60 pager book. Yeah, it's exactly 60 pages, and it has a lot of details about the other comics it is there. The binding is not that great. It's starting to come off a little bit. But yeah, this is Raj Comics Special, The Skin Shedder. Let's go quickly into the next one. This one is Nagraj. It looks like this has two stories, The Bloody Battle and Hill Fighter Nagraj, and that's the cover art, as you guys can see. And it looks like he's beating up a bunch of ruffians, and behind it looks like another character, Daredevils it's called. Don't know who is this character actually. Yep, if anybody knows, please do mention. Happy to learn more about what Raj Comics and the world of Nagraj is all about. Again, Artwork is okay. This looks I mean, the text looks better in this. It doesn't have too much of text, which is great sign, and it's not crunched so much. It looks like a very good panel to panel storytelling going on in this, so maybe this is better than the other one. Although it's a shorter one, this I think has only 30 pages compared to the other one, which was 60 pages. It looks like the other one was a double sized issue, which is just 32 pages. And this is, as far as I know, another character in Raj Comics universe called Dhruva. Yeah, I'm just getting to know these guys a bit. And the next one we have is, so the next one I have is called Nagapasha Nagraj, which is the book right here, and the cover art looks splendid. It says that there is also one trading card free with this, but yeah, Nagraj for me looks like a character which is a blend of superhero and lot of Indian mythology, right? So Nagraj in its essence, it means the king of snakes, right? And snakes is a worshipped god in India. So I think there is some connotations in that as well. So here you see a lot of fights and stuff going on, and yeah, it looks like a complete fight between the villain and the hero in this. I don't know who is this villain. He makes a brief appearance in throughout, and looks like this one has lot of snakes in it, right? So there are big, huge, venomous snakes and all sort of animals coming into this one. So yeah, I think the name Nagpasha, there is also a feature of Garud kind of eagle here, because eagle is the biggest enemy for snakes. They're the ones who eat it, so it makes sense to have an enemy in the form of a Garud. And there look at other kind of characters that come in, right? So yeah, this, true to the name Nagpasha Nagraj, this comic, it's full of snakes, guys, and how he fights off the villains who are in the form of snakes is what I think this book is made of. And this is a bigger one, right? It has 60 pages in it and some great artwork. Yeah, and all sort of villains seems to be popping up. I have no clue who these are. Maybe I'll give it a read, and then next time if you ask me, I could have some explanation, right? So yeah, I hope these books are not in continuity like DC or Marvel is, where you need to know a lot of history to read these books. I hope that's not the case with this. It will be great that if that's a breezy read rather than having to understand all the history that goes behind it, right? So that's the third book. So after all these three, these are the small books that I have, and then there is one enormous book. This is a Raj Comics Digest. The price is 100 rupees. Lot of stuff happening on in the cover page itself. It's a very thick book as compared to the other ones, as you guys can see. It's a 3-in-1 and some great artwork in here. So I'm just simply happy that picking up these books also gives insight to some of the great artworks. Oh wow, this looks splendid, right? Green Death. Yeah, this is also another Nagraj comic. So the first story is called Catastrophe. It's written, the names are written. One is Catastrophe, other is Nagin, the third one is Poison Nectar. This looks like the first of a series of digest that Raj Comics has bought out on Nagraj. I'm just giving you a few pages overview on what this is, and if I'll stop if there is something very interesting. It looks like Dhruva also makes an appearance, and yeah, and again, being a thick book, it has a lot of content going in it. Again, looks like some evil villains popping out. Some I'm sure this has a lot of plots and subplots. And look at that, guys, right? So there is a mummy like character in here, and some demons and some wizards and all kind of stuff, right? The doom of Rajnagar. I think Rajnagar is a place where Nagraj comes from, I'm guessing. And again, this guy Dhruv, it seems like he makes a lot of appearances in this book. They kind of like join forces to fight evil. And again, seems to be snakes all over, spread all over in all these books which has Nagraj in it. And yeah, this is the story called Nagin, the second story after Catastrophe. And if I'm right, there's one more story called Poison Nectar. Yeah, The binding is a bit bad, as you can see, because there is a lot of gutter loss, where a lot of artwork and writings gets misplaced. But see, the reason I bought these books are only to understand what these characters, what are the plots, is it something which will live up to my expectations, should I then buy more, etc. So I'm not complaining too much around it. But in case any of you guys watching this video know better books that I need to pick up, better storylines, etc., as compared to what I have in hand, please do let me know, because that will be really helpful for somebody who has very little clue on the world of Raj Comics and picking them up for the first time. And if there is a way in which I need to read them, there is an order, etc., let me know of those as well, right? I'm loving the artwork, guys. I think really good artwork is coming off in these pages. Not very happy with the text that is being shown, but again, I could be wrong here. Maybe other books doesn't have these problems. And also, if you can see that amongst the three books, it looks like the books have been just plain vanilla binded together, right? So you could see this book having white pages and the other ones having yellowish pages. It looks like they just took all these books and binded them together. It's not like they were printed specifically for becoming a digest. They just removed the cover pages of all these individual books and put them together and bind it. And that is the reason why there is a lot of gutter loss as compared to this books which I showed earlier, which doesn't have so much gutter loss. So if you want to read it in a very good way, I would recommend going this route than picking up this enormous edition. The binding of those looks really good. I mean, the binding in the sense, the cover art looks really good. I think it's a new cover art which they created just for this digest, but they didn't plan well in terms of gutter loss and how they can bring all these books together. So that's not a great stuff to do, guys. If any of the Raj Comics publishers are listening, they should just get that piece right. But otherwise, happy about this pickups. These are my first introduction into the world of Raj Comics, and if I find them interesting, yeah, I'm sure I'll pick more of them going forward. So until next time, this is Street Smart Joker signing off. Bye bye.